Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Please hit the like and subscribe button. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on lens protectors for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They're premium HD tempered glass and aluminum alloy lens screens. The packaging includes 3 camera lens protector covers for the iPhone 12 Max. Their easy installation and bubble-free alignment. The unique design of the lens protector snaps precisely and securely onto place. The kit includes 3 times camera lens protectors for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, manual and cleaning wipes. They have invisible flat design. The lens protectors are the exact color of your iPhone. Once attached, you will not notice them. Everything is done to design to enhance your smartphone experience without having an impact on the design. They are case-friendly, they're independent design, perfect size and fit for the phone for almost all phone cases. Installation is very simple. Number 1, you clean the lens of the phone. Number 2, you peel off the adhesive layer of the protector. You align with the iPhone lens and install it. It really clips, pushes on, snaps on, so you really know it's in place and it doesn't move. And lastly, you gently press to make sure it's completely sticking on the lens. So that's my video on the camera lens protectors, premium HD, tempered glass, and aluminum alloyed lens screens protectors. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.